So these are today's Hamster Kombat daily combo card to claim 5 million coins. And I'm not only going to be revealing these cards, I'm also going to be showing you where you can find each of these cards. So even if you are a beginner, you'll be able to claim your 5 million tokens. So pay close attention, guys. Let's get started. As usual, the first thing we'll do is to activate the daily combo mode by clicking on the daily combo tab. Alright, and you can see we have 3 empty cards that we need to open to claim our tokens. Now for our first card for today, we are going to head over to the PR and team section, and under PR and team section we are going to look for this very card, compliance officer. So we'll scroll down to look for the compliance officer, and here it is. So I'll click on it to buy our first card, and there you go, guys. We've gotten our first card. For the second card, we'll go to special section, and under my card section I'm going to look for the hamster watch for soulmate. And here it is, hamster watch for soulmate. I'll click on this card to get our second card. All right, there's the confirmation. And now for our third card, we'll go to the market section. Another market section, we're going to get a DAO card. So we'll scroll down, and there it is, DAO card. So I'll click on our third card to buy it, and here you have it, guys. We've been able to open our 3 cards, and our 5 million coins is ready for us to claim. If we just click on take the prize, you can see that our card balance have been updated. If you find this guide useful, then give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the growth of the channel. And also, guys, do want to check out my other video on the Hamster Kombat daily cipher code of 1 million coins. The link to that video will be in the description below. Watch the video, follow the steps, and claim your 1 million tokens. Alright, so that's it with this video, guys. Thanks so much for supporting this channel, and until next time, peace and love.